Ano ba po kabalen? Kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
Guys, today's vlog, nandito tayo ngayon sa Dolores, city of San Fernando, Pampanga to witness the opening of Onyangs Chicken Bagnet.
Yes.
They claim to be the best chicken bagnet ever! Kung nakita nyo yung introduction natin sa mga chicken, doon sa products, and you got excited about it, samahan nyo po kami dito.
So tara, let's go!
Good day everyone, I am Chini Malang, the owner of Onyangs Chicken Bagnet. Our staple product, of course po, ang ating best ever chicken bagnet, the best chicken bagnet in town. So meron din po kami, may mga bagong launch kami na products. May mga easy fry, gusto nyo dalhin sa abroad or dalhin sa malayo. Kaya meron na po kami mga frozen food, whole chicken bagnet and chicken bagnet cuts. So one fry lang po. You can cook it through air fryer, oven toaster, or deep fry po. Pwede po siya. Easy cooking na lang po. And also with our easy cooking menu, we also have Tteokbokki kit. And also our Kimchi to go. Available na rin po siya dito sa San Fernando branch. For other products, Tteokbokki and Kimchi. And then our wings, so we have, for the wings, we have the 5 flavors. We have honey sriracha, honey barbecue, garlic parmesan, hot and spicy buffalo, and of course our signature Korean style. Ayan. And also we have single rice meal and double rice meals po. So meron po ang mga rice meals natin. You can choose your toppings, chicken bagnet, pork bagnet, and also our newest calamari. You should try it po.
Alright, so we have an exclusive pass dito sa loob ng kanilang kitchen. And check out those really huge tubs where saan piniprito yung mga bagnet natin. So one by one, nilalagay nila yung mga chicken until yan. They're gonna wait up until it's gonna be golden brown, crispy. Siyempre, una yung balat. Balat muna, laman later.
Sa lahat po na sugi namin from San Fernando, Pampanga, please come and visit us. We are just along McArthur Highway, Dolores, city of San Fernando, Pampanga. Malapit lang po kami sa may Lourdes Church. Ayan, so come visit us.
So enjoy na enjoy si Mark dito.
Yes,
What can you say about the product, bro?
So yung manok nila, so malasa, crispy outside, juicy inside.
Super juicy, super tender, no?
Sarap. Mag-enjoy ka talaga.
Yeah, so again guys, you got excited with the chicken bagnet. Usually naririnig natin pork bagnet, mga ganyan.
Chicken inasal.
Chicken inasal. This time, it's a chicken bagnet. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga, guys. Until our next video.
Peace out.
Bye.